Hello everybody, welcome to Active Physics by your video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from Unit 7 of your NEET syllabus, that is Properties of Solids and Liquids. Properties of Solids and Liquids. What is the question, sir? This question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2022. The question is, two copper vessels A and B have the same base area but of different shapes. It means what? The same base area is the same, but they have different shapes. It means what? They have different volume. Okay. A takes twice the volume of water as that B requires to fill up to a particular common height. So the water, the liquid level, the liquid level in both the vessels A and B are the same. They attain a common height. The correct statement among the following is, which is a correct statement? Pressure on the base area A and B is the same. Pressure on the base area A and B is not the same. Rendu samama irukadu. Both A and B weigh the same. B weighs twice that of A. So A takes twice the volume of water than B. It means what? A has greater volume. Okay, that's a, B has only half of its volume there. Okay, but they attain a common height. How to find the answer? Pressure due to a liquid column is given by the formula P is equal to H rho G. What is rho? Density of the liquid. What is G? Acceleration due to gravity. They are constants. Is it not? It means what? The pressure depends on H only. What is H? H is the height of the liquid column from the base. It is also the same for A and B. Common height. Is it not? So that is also H rho G. All the three things are equal for both the vessels A and B. It means what? Pressure P on the base area of A and B is the same. That is the correct answer. It is correct. So what about the option C and 3 and 4, sir? Definitely they don't have same weight. Why, sir? Because the volume is different. Mass is equal, weight is equal to what? Mass mg. What is density? Rho is equal to mass by volume. So mass is equal to rho into volume. So volume is different for A and B. Volume is not the same. Okay, so definitely they will not have the same weight. Okay, further, A has more volume, naturally it will have more mass also. So option 4 is also wrong. So only option 1 is the right answer. Okay, so pressure on the base area of A and B is the same. That is the right answer for this question. Okay, you will see one more question from this unit, properties of solids and liquids, in our next video also. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.